Welcome to The Buzz from channelbuzz.ca. I'm Robert Duck. Today is Wednesday, July 15th, 2026, and here's what's happening in the channel today. Microsoft released its July 2026 Patch Tuesday update, addressing 570 vulnerabilities across the portfolio, including 3 zero-days. According to Bleeping Computer, the zero-day patches should be prioritized immediately for client environments. The scale of the release means MSPs need to stage patch management carefully. With 570 fixes to validate and deploy, technicians are managing a large surface area without disrupting business operations. Canadian partners managing regulated industries in healthcare, finance, provincial government should expect compressed vulnerability response windows this week. Law 25, PIPEDA, and sector-specific frameworks all embed expectations around timely critical patch management, and a July drop of this magnitude tests those service-level commitments. Microsoft is positioning the release as part of its regular cycle, but the zero-day status means this is not a routine Tuesday. Partners should be communicating with clients now about maintenance windows and priority sequencing for on-premise and hybrid infrastructure. Citrix is introducing Platform Flex, a persona-based pricing model that moves away from one-size-fits-all licensing and gives partners room to build consulting, workflow assessment, and migration services around how customers actually use the platform. According to Channel E2E, the shift lets partners attach higher-margin services to each deployment by right-sizing workloads and user personas, rather than simply renewing seat counts. The new model is particularly relevant in the Canadian mid-market, where virtual desktop and app delivery standardization has been strong, but differentiation has been thin. Platform Flex creates a natural entry point for partners to conduct usage assessments, recommend persona transitions, and bundle ongoing optimization services. It also gives partners a way to defend margins against pure license resale by making the consulting layer part of the renewal conversation. Citrix is positioning Platform Flex as a way to reduce customer shelfware, but the partner angle is that it turns every renewal cycle into a services engagement. AI compliance should not be treated as a policy exercise that happens once and then sits on a shelf. According to Terry Irons on Channel E2E, the value for MSPs is operationalizing compliance around AI data handling, model access, and prompt logging. As customers deploy more AI tools, the governance gap between experimentation and controlled scale is widening, and MSPs that treat AI governance as a document creation exercise risk missing the continuous monitoring requirements. Canadian MSPs already navigating Law 25 and PIPEDA amendments will recognize the pattern. The regulation exists, but the recurring revenue opportunity lies in helping customers stay inside the lines as the technology changes. The piece suggests that MSPs who build AI compliance into their existing security operations center workflows, rather than treating it as a separate consulting project, will capture more of the spend. The shift from one-time policy to ongoing operational control is the same transition the channel has made with security, and AI is following the same path. In brief, CMMC third-party audits are paused, but the channel opportunity isn't. Progress confirms a ShareFile zero-day flaw behind the storage zone shutdown. MSSP alert top 50 applications open for 2026 rankings. Changes in the channel tracks leadership moves for the week of July 6 to 10. Full details and links in the show notes and the blog post. Later today on In the Channel, we close out HPE Discover 2026 coverage with Vice President of North America Channel and Partner Ecosystem, Jeremiah Jensen, talking about the 30-day quote validity, Canadian partner influence, and the push for data center networking growth. If you haven't heard it already, yesterday's episode featured Curtis Derry from Xerox IT Solutions on HPE financing, Green Lake wins, and why AI is a digital goldmine for the channel. That's how we're seeing the headlines today. I'm Robert Dutt for channelbuzz.ca. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.